going to take a look at Say Cheese. All right, so if you are a Disney fan, then you are so excited. If you are not a Disney fan, these are really Disney themed. So still just hang out with us, right? You can hang out with us. You might see something that you could make work for something else. So we're gonna start out with Say Cheese Magic. Hold on. Oh, I know why. Okay, Say Cheese Magic. Here we go. There's have me all so organized here. I just had to think for a minute. All right, Say Cheese Magic. So first we're going to look at the a la carte products, and then we will look at the big bundle, okay? Quick question. Are those wide inserts? Wanda, those are the standard wide inserts that I carry, that I always use. So standard wide is 5 inches wide by 8.25 inches tall. All right, so let's start out with the 6x8 paper pad, Say Cheese Magic. If you did not know, I worked for Simple Stories for 6 years, and I left 5 years ago. So 11 years ago, I started working for Simple Stories, which still blows my mind. That very first year, I want to say it was the very first year, we released the very first Say Cheese collection. I say we because I worked there then. Simple Stories was the first manufacturer, like mainstream manufacturer, to do a Disney-esque or Disney-themed line. And then I want to say this is probably maybe the 5th one that they've done over the last 11 years. And they just keep getting better. So starting with the 6x8 paper pad, you have 2 sheets each of 12 different designs. But every sheet is double-sided, so you have lots, okay? 24, I guess. Two 24s, you know what I mean. So as we start to look, happiness starts here. I love the colors in this, but look how fun that is. I will tell you guys, other than ordering this, I ordered this. I have not opened any of this product yet, so I'm seeing it. Well, I saw it in the catalog, right? But I'm seeing it like firsthand with you guys. Love it when they do the little half ear like that. Really cute. Look at those like little circles, great colors. They're fun because they're pulling in not just your traditional like Disney red, black, yellow, but lots of other fun colors too. That's such a cute paper. And then you have your 2 sheets each of the cut apart 3x4 cards. And then, oh my gosh, look at the cups. And look at the opening of the cup where you go get it. I can't go on the teacups. They make me sick. No more teacups for Leo. So that is the 6x8 pad. Then we repeat those same patterns again, okay? 6x8 paper pad. Now let's look at the sticker book. So sticker books, Simple Story sticker books are always really awesome. They are loaded with product. They always have 12 sheets. The number of stickers in each sticker book is going to vary based on the collection, right? And whatever they're, doing with it. So this one, Say Cheese Magic, has 407 stickers. 407 stickers. Super cute little icons. Look, little cameras. Oh my goodness. New Orleans. Like if you know Disney, right? That's like the little New Orleans cafe where you get the beignets. Cute little labels. Little California Adventure looking there, right? Look at little Mickey pants. Little wizard. Cute. Now I will tell you, I've had quite a few questions on whether or not I will be using the Say Cheese Magic collection to do a Disney themed mini book project kit. I am not. Now, I will tell you why. Every time Simple Stories has done a Say Cheese collection, I've always done a mini book with it. Even when Doodlebug did a Disney-esque themed collection, love that, love those titles. I did a mini book with it. The reason I'm not doing one with Say Cheese Magic is because something else is coming out later this year. And I will be doing a mini book with that. So that's all I can say. Just stay tuned because it's pretty awesome. It's from Simple Stories, but it's pretty freaking awesome. All right. So stay tuned. All right, next up, we have the bits and pieces. So the die cuts. There are kind of 3 different versions of these. So we'll take a look at all of these. I'm just going to grab some trays here. Every time I do a What's New Wednesday, I get a question about the trays. People are like, oh my gosh, where'd you get those trays? They're awesome. They are lids to IKEA bins. These are not trays, they're lids. So you cannot buy them without buying the whole little bin. But that's what they are. That's what they are. All right, Say Cheese Magic Bits and Pieces. There are 62 die cuts in the Bits and Pieces pack, loaded with lots of fun, great icons that you see kind of throughout the collection, but a nice little castle. These little circles are really fun. So if you've been to Disney, and I don't know where you get them. I've never seen, you must have to go into a certain store or something, but you can get a sticker. It's a circle sticker, and you put it on yourself. You can write what you're celebrating there, what you're there for. So maybe it's a graduation, or maybe you're celebrating a birthday or an anniversary, but I love how they incorporated that in the collection this year. They haven't done that before. They always include little icons for the food, the churro, the caramel apple, little let's ride. So just lots of fun little icons here. The teacups. There's a little tea in the teacup. Love that. So Nick and I grew up going to Disneyland because I'm going to keep kind of just moving these apart so you guys can see them. I grew up going to Disneyland. My grandparents lived in Anaheim until, I don't know, maybe I guess I was in high school. No, college. So we'd go out every summer and visit them and, of course, go to Disneyland. So I grew up going to Disneyland. I had never been to Disney World or any other, these two, aren't those so fun? I had never been to Disneyland or any other, Disney World, any other international Disney park until a couple months ago. Nick, my husband, had business. One of his big customers was having a big national sales conference in Orlando at one of the Disney World properties, the hotel, the Dolphin, I think. And so he was gone for a week, and I'm like, well, I'm going to come with you. And he said, well, I have to work. And I'm like, I don't care. So we did have time where we could, go explore and play. And so we went to Epcot one day, and we went to, Disney World. They don't call it that, Magic Kingdom, I guess, the other day. So we had a lot of fun. But prior to that, I had never been to, I don't even know what to say, how to call it, Disneyland, Disney World. Yeah, the big one in Florida. How about that? I've never been to the big one in Florida. All right, so those are the bits and pieces. 62 pieces in that fun pack. Then we move on to the journal bits. You get them at Town Hall. There we go, Linda May. Thank you. You get them at Town Hall. Town Hall in the park, as soon as you go in. All right, so the journal bits. There are 29 pieces. And on my website, you can always see that. You'll always see kind of the front of the package image and then the back of the package. So you'll be able to get a little bit better feel sometimes for what the pieces look like if you can't see them so well here. So the journal bits are definitely more designed for writing. That is so cute. That little balloons with the, see how they have a little bit more room for doing some writing on them or journaling, right? So less icon heavy, certainly less icon heavy. You have fun little hearts just to kind of fill in. Less icon heavy, but lots of room for your titles or journaling or whatever it may be. So cute, so cute. All right, journal bits. After journal bits, we have the big bits. So the big bits, I always have to be really careful with that word, that combination. I have to enunciate that. The big bits. Yes. Let's see. Wanda said, we always go to Disney World. We're going next year. Aloha Style said, I live in Florida. Love Disney World. Oh, lovely, lovely, lovely. All right. The big bits are really big die cuts, and I love them. I love to use them. In fact, I used the big bits from Summer Snapshots in the Happy Summer mini book project kit. They're just super nice in mini book project kits because they're big. And if you're a 12 by 12 scrapbooker, they're awesome for that too, just because they're bigger, right? So, Say Cheese Magic Big Bits, 16 pieces. And they are big, nice and good size. So, like, look at that. Palm of my hand, those balloons are so cute. Little camera. If that doesn't scream like Disneyland, I don't know what does with the big polka dot. Nice title, Magic Moment. So, you can get a really good feel. I bet that's probably 7 inches. Super cute. Probably 6 inches. I mean, I guess I could get my ruler out, right? Close. That's about 5 3/4. And that one is 6, right? So this is super cute too. Look at that. Wish, dream, believe, those little tags and flags. Now, if you are a, yes, you love Disney, but you also love the other parks, don't be sad. I've got something coming for you. We'll take a look at those next. But look at the little half ears. I just love, if you wondered what the half ear thing is, that particular full ear, full head with 2 ears is copyright protected, okay? It's part of the Disney, like, copyright. That's why you'll see manufacturers doing half ear, but generally never full ear. If you see that someone doing full ear, 90% of the time, they really shouldn't be doing it because they have not licensed. Now, there are a couple of, I don't know, EK Success, I think for a while was maybe licensing Disney artwork, but that's why you see people do half ears, if you're ever wondering. Wanda said she loves those. They're huge. Aloha Style, I work at a school and out for the summer, and guess where I spend my time off? Oh, good. So they probably have park passes, like resident park passes like they do in California, yeah? Aloha Style? Those are really popular in Utah because it's, I don't know, like an 11-hour drive from Utah. So a lot of Utahns have the annual pass. All right, last thing we're going to take a look at, the washi tape. So washi tape, Simple Stories washi tape always has 5 rolls. You have 3 rolls that are your standard width, 15 millimeters, and then you have 2 that are 7 millimeters. So there you have it. Really cute. I mean, I love that they do the 2 different widths. So like for layering, look at those 2 together, the red and white polka dot and the magic, so cute. And then that stripe, this stripe is great for so many different things, right? In fact, the red and white polka dot is too. And then these are great for anything. So there's really nothing in here in the washi that says Disney at all. Well, nothing in the whole collection says Disney, but you know what I mean when I say says Disney. Even these just say magic. So that's a really versatile. All right, so those are all the a la carte kind items that I carry. So we're out for Mexican food. And we've looked at the burrito, we've looked at the tamale, we've looked at the chili relleno, and now we're looking at the combination plate. Okay, combination plate. The combination plate is the big bundle. This is when you get like the chicken enchilada and the cheese enchilada and the tamale and the rice and the beans and then all the chips, and you're so full. Big bundle. So the big bundle includes everything that we saw a la carte plus other things that I do not carry a la carte. So what we already saw, we saw the journal bits, we saw the bits, we saw the big bits, we saw the washi, we saw the sticker book, and we saw the paper pad. So all of those things are included, plus all of these things. Now, when you buy the big bundle, because you're just buying one thing, you see big bundle, you click add to cart, and you're done. Because you're buying the full bundle, I discount that for you 15%. So if any time you're in love with the collection, the big bundle is usually a good option. All right, these are the decorative brads. So the decorative brads, these are the self-adhesive brads without the pesky prongs on the back. Nice, strong adhesive. So you have 27. Look at all those. The brads are metal rimmed with epoxy in the center. And then you have in this set 4 little chipboard pieces as well. You have the glossy enamel dots, so 5 colors. 3 different shape circles, not shape, 3 different size. A circle is a circle is a circle. 3 different size, not 3 different shape. You have the chipboard frames, so 6 chipboard frames. These are so fun to work with. You have frames for 3x4s and 4x6s. Always my favorite in any Simple Stories collection, the foam stickers. So foam stickers, 37 in this pack. Great for your titles with your 12x12 scrapbook pages, your mini books, what have you. But these are always so much fun. 2 different sheets, 37 stickers. The chipboard stickers, so self-adhesive, those are stickers. And then the collection kit. So we'll take a quick look at the collection kit. 12 double-sided 12x12 papers, and then the 12x12 cardstock sticker sheet. So there is the cardstock sticker sheet. A circle is pi. What? Oh, Karen, you're going to make my brain think too hard. 3.1487659 blah, 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 infinity, right? Okay. Karen, you know I'm teasing you. All right, so that is so fun. And you know what? You put a little white background, a matte on your photos, and those photos will just pop on there. There's all those little cute circles. Nice little multicolored polka dot. There is your half Mickey ear with nice mint stars, the magic. Then you have the half Minnie ear. That could be fun together, right? Could totally be fun together. With the little pink hearts and the red hearts on the B side. Some little speech bubbles. Nice horizontal stripe. Big polka dots. A nice horizontal, that was diagonal, the other one. A nice a nice horizontal yellow stripe. This one's so cute too. Magic Memories. Your little confettis. Your tag cut aparts. The journal elements cut aparts with a big classic kind of red and white polka dot on the back. The 3x4 cut aparts with the vertical stripe, little black added in there. Your 4x4 2x2s with the pink polka dot on the back. And then you have your 4x6 cards, okay? And then fun little stars on the back. So everything that you just saw there, all the a la carte things along with all of the things I just showed you, part of the big bundle. So Say Cheese Magic is in stock at lailbymail.com and shipping now.